Hey, GT from GT Garage here, and we're in the shed again. And finally, I'm going to do a review on the Terrafirma Rugged Terrain tyres. Now, on a side note, there's no sponsorship here. I purchased these myself, and I'm just giving my unbiased opinion on them. I've had a few different brands of tyres on this vehicle, and I feel that I can give unbiased review just to inform people. Terrafirma Rugged Terrain, or RT, and I've got these in 285 70 17. Closer so you can see the other details. So I've had these now on here. I'm pretty sure they've been on here now for 25,000 Ks. Yeah, 25,000 Ks. They've done quite a bit of off-roading. Heaps of tarmac driving, because I drive the freeway 40 minutes each day to work. That's where all my Ks are. So I do quite a lot of time on the road. First impressions at this stage, I mean, look for yourself, they are still in very good condition. You can tell that they've sort of started to wear a bit. Shoulders are sort of rounding off a little bit. To be honest, the amount of wear, I'll measure it and put it in the description below, but at a guess, 1.5 mil. I mean, they don't look like they've worn much at all. And again, to be honest with you, I laser aligned, like workshop tools laser, this vehicle myself. This has not gone to a wheel aligner since I've owned it. Well, it's gone once and I wasn't happy with it, so I've done it myself since, and they're rotated every service, every 10,000 Ks, and the wear is what you consider is near on perfect. And you can see like that, just the little micro cuts on the top, but they would be from the off-roading that we did yesterday at the full drive park. No feathering, no chunking or corners or chunks being taken out of it, no weird wear. I mean, obviously on rotation the rears look a bit flat across the face compared to the front, but there is heaps of tread there after 20,000 Ks. They were really strong off-road. Grip, I'd never had a problem with grip, and even when it was getting a bit sticky and boggy, kind of didn't sort of keep the boot flat into it, but kept the acceleration up to it, and they cleared like mud terrains. They just cleared all the crap out and just kept soldiering on. I didn't actually get stuck, and the only time I did is when I went through a bog and stupidly left it in two-wheel drive, and I noticed that the car was not going anywhere, or the vehicle wasn't going anywhere, and I was in two-wheel drive. And I was actually still making forward progress. But yeah, put into full drive, no problem. So yeah, I'll measure this depth. I reckon it's worn 1.5 mil, if that. Little bit noisy, but if you're going to get a tyre aggressive like this, you got to expect there to be a bit of noise. I've had a few other brands of tyres. Again, so far the best, these ones. Like I said in my previous videos, I mean, it could do with a bit better biters. Like, this is, compared to some of the other brands, this is pretty, again, personal opinion, pretty weak. Tread face looks awesome, but there's just not a lot going on here. It would help them for their off-road grip with a little bit there. It'd also be good visually as well. Good grip in the wet, cannot complain. Good grip in the mud. Dirt, I've had them. They air down beautifully. I had them, sorry about the wind. What was that, 15 psi? In sort of pretty damp, wet conditions yesterday at the full drive park. Not a problem. And I reckon they could have gone down lower if I needed it, but I didn't need to. If you have any questions or comments, or if I missed anything out, I'm trying to think if I missed anything out about these. I don't think I did, but yeah, feel free to like and subscribe and leave a comment, leave some feedback. Can let you know what's going on, or is there anything in particular you want to know about these? So yeah, a bit smaller than a 33 inch tyre, I just call it a 33, and yeah, cannot complain in all conditions. Very happy. The recovery guy at the full drive park asked me what I thought of the tyres, and I said, oh yeah, awesome, love them. Apparently his mate is one of the reps for Terrafirma. Yeah, can't say I've got anything bad to say about them. I mean, the only thing, like I said in one of the previous videos, the actual tread face is a lot, well, not a lot, but it's narrower than a lot of tyres of this size that I've had before. Just not as wide from shoulder to shoulder. Like, you can see the bulge. So you're caught a bit short of sort of tread. And I remember the tyres that these replaced, I think there were another 20 mil more actual tread face on the road. So, I mean, that's not a deal breaker, but it could help you with some grip. But yeah, like, subscribe. That's all for now. Hi everyone, just gonna tack onto this video a bit. So we've been to Goolwa a couple of times since I've had these tyres, and the most recent just this weekend. We're up here now, we're in Goolwa right now, and we do the run from Goolwa up to the mouth of the Murray to the Coorong there quite a number of times. And I mean, halfway up there it's pretty tame, but then the sand gets quite boggy where it's been cut up a fair bit, and you know, you have some sand ruts that are, you know, 350, 400 deep, maybe more, and quite soft. And I've tried a few tyre pressures. I mean, I'm not stupid enough to run through there at full street pressure, which for me is what, 38, 40. But I've run, most recently I ran 18 PSI and had no problems with grip. I mean, the ride was a bit firm when you had little dips and bumps or washouts of the water coming in. Being as low as 15 down to even 12 and it's so much nicer. I mean, you hear the vehicle, the difference in the way that the vehicle's working. I mean, my preference would be around 15 psi, and the Terrafirma's worked beautifully. They don't dig in. They kind of, once you got them aired down, they float nicely on top of the sand. Plenty of grip. There's when was it? Just yesterday we went right out to the mouth where the sand was pretty soft and boggy, and we came across some young fellows in their patrols, 3 patrols, just driving 3 abreast down the beach, heroes, and they went flying up there, and on the way back they came flying past us, and yeah, I'm pretty sure they didn't even go right out to the mouth, so I don't know, you take that as you will, but we got out there. Those guys were probably running street pressures, and they didn't even go all the way out, probably chickened out. But yeah, annoyingly, the other thing is we were doing the speed limit along the beach, and these guys just looked past us at, you know, at a guess, 50 to 60 k's per hour. They were certainly doing faster than us, but anyway, each to their own. We're going to follow the rules. They didn't air down, probably just trying to be heroes and showing that they can do whatever beach sand driving on street pressures, but I don't care. I'll put the pressures down and won't get stuck. But anyway, on sort of dampish sand, Terrafirmas go really good, no problems. Once again, if you want any, if you have any comments, or if you've got any feedback on my videos, or if you want to know more about the tyres that I've got or what I'm running, please subscribe to the channel, like my videos. If there's anything that you want to know in particular, or you want me to test anything that I've got, let me know. Just put something in the comments. Anyway, that's enough for now. From Goolwa, South Australia. Bye for now.